Welcome back to Zimist Coded. If you've ever noticed that your Gmail emails are showing the wrong name, or maybe an old name you no longer use, then this video is exactly for you. In this short but very helpful tutorial, I'll show you how to change the personal name connected to your Gmail account. And the good news is, it's quick, simple, and doesn't require any special tools at all. So, relax, take your time, and follow along with me step by step. All right, let's get started. First, go ahead and open your web browser. Any modern Chromium-based browser will work just fine, but for this tutorial, I'll be using Google Chrome. Also, make sure your browser is updated to the latest version, so everything looks exactly like what you're seeing on my screen. Once Chrome is open, click on the address bar, type mail.google.com, and press Enter. If you're already signed into your Gmail account, your inbox will load immediately. If not, you'll be prompted to sign in first. Just go ahead and do that. Now, once your inbox is fully loaded, look toward the top right corner of the page. You'll see your profile picture there. Go ahead and click on it. From the small menu that appears, click on Manage Your Google Account. Perfect. This takes you to your Google Account Settings page. On the left-hand side, look for Personal Info and click on it. Now, on this page, scroll just a little until you find the section labeled Name. Here, you can see the current name associated with your Gmail account. This is the name people see when you send emails. Go ahead and click on it. On the next screen, you'll notice options for your name, nickname, and even a legal name. You can edit all of these, but for this tutorial, we're focusing on changing the main name. Click on the Name section. At this point, Google may ask you to verify your account. If that happens, just complete the verification and continue. Now you'll see two fields, one for your first name and another for your last name. Carefully enter the new name exactly how you want it to appear in your emails. Take a second to review it and make sure everything looks right. Once you're happy with the changes, click on Save. And that's it. Your Gmail personal name has been successfully updated. From now on, this new name will appear on all outgoing emails you send from your Gmail account. Simple, clean, and very useful. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial on Zimist Coded. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like the video, drop a comment below, and subscribe for more easy tech tips, Google tricks, and productivity guides. Until next time, stay blessed and keep coding smarter, not harder.